Hey, what's up lovely people, welcome to my channel Technologistan, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to give your photos portrait mode effect from any Android phone. So let's get started. To give portrait mode effect in your photos you need one app. So you have to go to Play Store, then in search bar type after focus, then you have to install it. Let it install and I'll show you the magic what this app do. It will give the perfect portrait mode effect in your photos. So let the app download. So our app is now installed. Let's open it. And you will see three options: camera, album, project. If you want to take the photo from album, from gallery, you can click album and you can click directly photos from it. And let's take this photo as a sample. I will show you. Click on this and continue. Let's wait. Like this. First you have to pinch and zoom it like this. Then you have to select the first white brush and you will click on the area which you do not want to blur like this, and take the third pencil for the area you want to blur like this, and the area which will be blur, which do not will be blur, will be in red color like this. Now you have to click next and you will see the effect. Let's wait, it is processing like this. And now you can, if you want more natural look, you can decrease the intensity of blur. It will look more natural and good like this. You can see edges are very good, blur intensity is good, and you can there are a lot of options like motion blur, there is zoom blur, and you can adjust set, zoom, center, and aperture, fading, and filters are very good like this. You can only change the background like this, only background will be changed, background will be blur. And if you want no effect, if you want to change whole effect, you will go to whole, foreground, only front will be changed like this. And in effect you get vignetting like this. And so this is the best app to give portrait mode effects to photos, and it look like same like DSLR. And this is good app. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.